Hello, guys. If you are looking to create human portraits with the help of artificial intelligence, this tool, Snapby AI, is quite cool. Let's see in action. Click on Start Generating, and then you will be presented with this screen. And you can see there are already a lot of examples which people have done, and they look so real and so closer to the life. So let's see how we can generate them. Now, the prompt which I'm using is a bit long. It says a glamorous female movie star from the golden age of Hollywood, draped in elegant gown, posing on the red carpet. Let's click here. Let's wait for it to come back. And these are all AI generated stock images, and you just have to take your pick out of them. If it would be able to find it, hopefully. Okay, nope. Okay, let's just tone down our search here. And there you can see that when I did the other one, there were like 1 million glamorous female research search results which came by. So primarily it's a stock image, and it's all you can use them freely as per their website, which is quite cool. There you go. It is coming up with the same one. Okay, how about if I go with something else? If I just tell it that rugged, let's wait for it to come back. And the good thing about it is that it doesn't give you non-human images as far as I have searched so far, which is good. Otherwise, you get a lot of clutter out of it. Okay, it has come back with this image for the rugged one. That is fine. We can um, customize it. As you see, it said a man kicks in a sideway demonstrating Muay Thai practice, and we can customize this image. You can choose ethnicity. Maybe you can make it. That's because it's already African, or maybe African American, I guess. Let's make it Caucasian. Gender, make it let's female. Age 50. Let's make it younger. In reality, which means that making the adjustment level higher makes a feature such as males and wrinkles look more real. I'll just keep it default. Pose variation, I will just keep it default because it will uh, reducing or produces results closely resembling the original. So I'll just keep it, and then you can also select something from here like adult, youth, or all that stuff. But I'll just keep it as is and click on start generating. Let me log in with my Google account. After logging in, I had to re-click that generate images, and now it is generating as you can see here. So let's wait for it to come back. I'm not sure how long that is going to take. There you go. So it is there. So now we have female, and the site has changed. I think it has just picked up an image and produced it. Even the uniform has changed. So I guess it's not generating, it is finding something, or maybe it is mixing it up. I'm not sure. But pretty cool. So I think that with these stock images, on the basis of it, you can go and then generate your own images. So try it out with your own prompt. I just wanted to show you how you can maybe create your own images from these stock images. I will drop the link to this tool in video's description. Let me know how you go. If you like the content, then please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network as that helps. Thanks for watching.